If I was your alarm clock, these would be my rules. Rule number 1, I never wake you up in the middle of the best dream. If you're about to become rich or famous in that dream, I let it finish. Rule number 2, I don't scream beep beep like a fire alarm. I wake you up slowly like, hey, you got this today. Rule number 3, if you slept at 2 a.m. because you were scrolling YouTube or TikTok, I secretly give you 30 extra minutes. Rule number 4, if you hit snooze once, I forgive you. If you hit snooze twice, I start playing the loudest alarm known to humanity. Rule number 5, and if it's Monday morning, I start the alarm 30 minutes later. Nobody deserves a full Monday. If you want me as your alarm clock, hit that like and subscribe.